before you use it, you're gonna have to season this pan. Hey there, folks. We have another exciting news of Black Angus, right? This is Chef Fernando Garcia. We have a merchandise line that you can order anything you need to grill, cook at home, but now we partnered up with a blue steel pan that is just amazing, right? As you can see, it's nice finish, right? But before you use it, you're gonna have to season this pan, and it doesn't take that long, and it's just so easy, right? So that will prevent for the pan to get damaged while you're cooking your beautiful steaks in there, right? Or anything you wanna cook. So it's really simple. You're just gonna get some oil. I'm gonna put some oil in that pan. You get some just paper towels if you like. Make sure that it covers the oil, all the surface of the pan, inside the pan. When you get that nice dark color, and everything is covered, all you do, preset your oven to 375 degrees, put it upside down in the oven for about an hour, and when it comes out, it's already seasoned. You can start cooking your steaks. You can cook whatever you like in this pan, right? So that's what we'll do. We'll set them up in the oven about 1 hour, walk away, and when you come back, your pan will be seasoned and ready to use. All right, so we're done with the season of the pan, right? The blue steel pan. Take it out of the oven. It was there for about an hour. It's gonna cool down right here. When it's cooled down, it's ready to use. And you can see it's really nice, dark color that it comes out with it. And it'll be so smooth, nothing will stick to this, right? So it'll be nice. Every time you want to see that your pan is kind of getting warmed out, just season it with oil, throw it in the oven, let it rest for about an hour, pull them out, and they'll be more than ready to use as many times you want. This is how it looks, a blue steel pan where you don't pre-season, before you use it. You can damage the pan, but don't worry about it. You can still fix it. All you have to do is just do 50% of vinegar, 50% of water, fill it all the way up. Let it sit for about an hour, walk away, come back, empty the liquid, scrub it, really nice, right? Wipe it up, and then pre-season with the oil. Wipe it down with a paper towel, put it back in the oven for about an hour, come back, let it cool down, and your pan will be fixed and ready to use again and again, all right? So follow those tips, you'll have such amazing times cooking with these blue steel pans. Go to blackangus.com, look at the merchandise line, you can find those pans and you will love it. They cook really nice. I cook my steaks in one of those, and it's just amazing the way they do. Nice sear on the steaks, and they come out really good.